doing brunch because it is later in the afternoon. And of course I didn't add any meats. I started to do a shrimp, some shrimp with my grits. My fault, y'all. A little delayed and slow today. But I made some pancakes and eggs. I wasn't really feeling too good today, so I just made me some pineapple juice. Because I had to put something in my stomach, although I'm not feeling too good. So I'm going to start off with a prayer. This is going to be a quick video, not too long. And after that, I'm going to relax and possibly think about making another video later. All right? Amen and amen again. Back. Here's my grits. I usually like mix it with my eggs. I might end up doing that. And mix it all together. My grits and eggs together. I gotta have a piece of that. You know why I mix it together? Because it's going down the same freaking spot. Other side though. Okay. I made a lot of pancakes. It was a lot. Made them for me and the fam. They were hungry. Next time I mix my put some grits on the side. Like a little bit of juice. Oh, that's good. I think today I'm gonna turn today into like a movie day and just relax because I need it. I definitely need it. I usually watch IB channel, one of my favorites. Loved it. Don't keep me away from that channel. Even if I was next to a computer or anything, I would look up TV shows from IB. You all who's Miss Butterworth, let me pull it up. Actors Miss Butterworth for it. I didn't put a lot on there because I don't like a lot of syrup on the pancakes until it's overwhelming. So you know. Y'all ain't gonna do a thumbnail or not. I mean, you know what? Let me hold up my little pancake like this. Pancakes on deck. I forgot all about the thumbnail. To be honest, sometimes you just gotta go with the flow. And that's what it seemed like today. I'm just going with the flow. Yep. Now, Fatal Attractions was one of my favorite shows, TV shows. think it kind of still is. Okay, Snap used to be one of my favorite before Fatal Attraction. Once I got Fatal Attraction, it kind of related to the stuff that was going on around my neighborhood too. You know, like in the people, like everything's related. Kind of like, I don't know. I just like them a little more. Mm. Mm. Trying to think of what was my best show from Fatal Attraction that I saw thus far. Trying to think, because there were so many good ones. So many good ones. Because most of them were about the guys killing off the girls that they were so obsessed with. So, I really don't know which one is my favorite. So I had a lot of favorites. I know y'all remember seeing that show where my nephew crying again in the background. While I'm recording, he likes to be held. But I had this one he's still fine. Excuse me. Excuse the background noise. But I had this one TV show that I was watching where the guy made a girl that he was creeping with for a while come on Facebook Live and kill herself because her and his, I guess, main girl were going back and forth. She was like, she was doing good for herself. Life was all in order. He couldn't accept that she was gonna clap back if somebody came at her. He wanted her to shut up. He was around her kids, everything. Acting like he was the father figure. But she couldn't disrespect old man girl. That was something she couldn't do. That was a big no-no. So he took it upon himself to take her life, and in the end, he surrendered and he locked him up. But why did it have to go that far? And when she tried to leave him alone, he would always come back and, you know, feed her lies and stuff. One, he really didn't care about her like that. I mean, he cared, but he just wanted his cake and eat it too. I guess he cared. He really couldn't care because he killed her on Facebook Live. Oh, it's so good. So good. I'm surprised I'm able to eat this. Oh, this, I'm hungry, but I wasn't feeling too good, so everything was, my stomach was a little upset, but I'm able to hold stuff down for a little bit, so try to eat down as much as I can. I'm trying to think what I'm gonna make for tonight. I don't even know. know. Because even though I can't eat sometimes, I still cook for the fam. That's because my stomach not right. Don't mean their stomach ain't right. If I stop cooking, they're gonna ask me what's up, what's going on, and what you doing. Like, help. We need food. We need something. Y'all, I ate all this food. All this brunch. Because that's what it was, brunch. I started to set it all the way out. I'm eating this late, so it's brunch to me. But I started to set it all the way out and do a whole bunch of stuff. Sausage, bacon, biscuits. Oh, excuse me. But I just took it easy on today. I want to relax. You know? Made something simple, something small, but everybody's stomach's still full. Still full. You know? Everything was so good. I didn't expect to eat the whole thing. I thought I was going to stop and tell y'all I couldn't eat no more, but I was able to finish my meal. Finish my brunch. But I'm about to get ready to end this video. I told you I was going to be real short and simple. Just wanted to eat breakfast with y'all right quick. Oh, excuse me. Because I was hungry for a little bit. Hungry. Now I feel like I ate too much. But anywho, y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so you guys will know when my next video upload. I'm not playing. Because I'm about to start doing some more videos, more hot stuff. It's only gonna get better. You know, we start off in the beginning as amateurs, and some of us end up as pros. You gotta get used to this camera, sitting up here talking to you guys. Even though we record and we edit, do all that stuff, it still feel like you guys are watching this and we're talking in front of you, because you're going to see it. We know you're going to see the video, so I'm just going to keep pushing and never give up, because giving up is not an option. Until next time, see y'all.